Welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're going to walk you through the process of deleting your WordPress website. Whether you're starting fresh or simply no longer need your site, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Before we delete anything, it's crucial to back up your content. You might want to keep your posts, pages, and media for future use. To back up your content, 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard. 2. Navigate to Tools Export. 3. Choose All Content and click Download Export File. This will create an XML file of your site's data. If your site is hosted on WordPress.com, follow these steps. 1. Log into your WordPress.com account. 2. Go to My Site. 3. Click on Settings in the sidebar. 4. Scroll down to the Site Management section. 5. Click Delete Site. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Make sure you read the consequences, as this action is permanent. For those using a self-hosted WordPress site, here's how to delete it. 1. Log into your hosting account. 2. Find the file manager or use an FTP client to access your files. Next, locate your WordPress files. 3. Navigate to the directory where WordPress is installed. 4. Select all files and folders related to WordPress and delete them. Now let's remove the database. 1. Access your hosting control panel and open phpMyAdmin. 2. Find the database associated with your WordPress site. 3. Select the database and choose Drop to delete it completely. After deleting the files in database, it's good practice to check for any remaining backups or files. Ensure everything associated with the site is removed, and that's it. Your WordPress site has been successfully deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you really want to do this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.